Hey guys, xAI just dropped a bombshell. They've officially launched Grok 4, and they're making a pretty bold claim that it's the smartest AI in the world right now. Let's dive in and see what this new model is all about. So xAI isn't just releasing one model, they've actually launched two, Grok 4 and Grok 4 Heavy. xAI is positioning these as a major leap forward, specifically in their pursuit of artificial general intelligence, or AGI. They're throwing down the gauntlet, saying Grok 4 is a state-of-the-art multimodal model that goes head-to-head with the big players like GPT-4, Claude 4, and Gemini 2.5. In this video, we're going to break down exactly what makes Grok 4 different, look at the benchmarks they're claiming, and see if it lives up to the hype. Okay, so how does xAI back up that smartest AI claim? They're pointing to some pretty impressive benchmark results. Grok 4 is showing exceptional performance on really difficult tests like the Human Level Evaluation, or HLE. These aren't easy questions. They're designed to test graduate-level intelligence across science and language, requiring deep knowledge and multi-step reasoning. Grok 4 scored 26.9% without using any tools, but that jumped to a massive 41% when tool use was enabled. xAI says this is the highest HLE score of any model ever, roughly double that of Gemini 2.5 Pro, and outperforming GPT-4 and Claude 4 too. Then there's the ARC AGI leaderboard, considered one of the toughest benchmarks for assessing AI intelligence and potential AGI capabilities. Grok 4 is setting a new standard here as well, almost doubling the best performance seen in currently deployed models. Beyond just benchmarks, xAI highlights a significant leap in core capability. Grok 4 has 10 times better reasoning abilities than Grok 3. They attribute a lot of this performance boost, especially the reasoning and tool use, to an unconventional training approach. Unlike most large language models that pour the vast majority of compute into pre-training, xAI spent an equal amount on reinforcement learning. This balanced approach seems to be paying off in Grok 4's ability to tackle complex problems and use tools effectively. Beyond just crushing benchmarks, Grok 4 comes packed with some serious technical capabilities. One of the first things that stands out is its massive 256K token context window. That's roughly double Grok 3's, and lets the model process and remember a huge amount of information, leading to much more coherent and detailed conversations or analyses over long inputs. It also features real-time data search, which is crucial for staying current. This means it can pull in live information from the web, making it super useful for dynamic tasks like analyzing social media trends or financial data. Grok 4 also supports function calling and structured outputs, like JSON. This is a big deal because it allows Grok 4 to interact with external tools and APIs, enabling complex workflows, and making it easier to integrate into other systems for things like automation or data analysis. Plus, it's a frontier-level multimodal model, meaning it can reason across text, code, and even image inputs. So how do you actually get your hands on Grok 4? Well, it's available via the xAI API. Pricing-wise, it's keeping the same structure as Grok 3. That's $3 per 1 million input tokens and $15 per 1 million output tokens, with a cash input cost of 75 cents per million tokens. For businesses, xAI is also highlighting more refined enterprise-grade security. Now, while Grok 4 is incredibly smart, it's important to be realistic about its current state. xAI is upfront about some limitations right now. It's not currently considered ready for complex coding tasks, visual and image output, or detailed UI mockups. For instance, while it can generate something like a crypto dashboard, models like Claude 4 are still seen as better for UI layouts. But the good news is, xAI expects to improve in these areas pretty quickly. Building on those current limitations, especially in coding, xAI isn't stopping here. They've already laid out an ambitious roadmap for what's coming next. We can expect a revolutionary coding model as soon as next month, designed to significantly help with front-end and back-end services. Following that, a multimodal agent is planned for September, and a video generation model is expected in October. It's clear xAI is pushing hard on multiple fronts. So Grok 4 is clearly a major leap for xAI, showing incredible reasoning power and setting new benchmarks against the competition. While it has some limitations now, their ambitious roadmap shows they're just getting started. What do you think about Grok 4 and xAI's plans? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, Give a like and subscribe for more AI news. Thanks for watching.